We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and my channel is just Sydney. So today I am sharing a super motivational clean with me, and I know I haven't posted a cleaning video in a while here on my channel, and honestly my home was in desperate need of a good cleaning, and it wasn't extremely messy per se, but it was dirty. I needed to clean up the living room, clean the wall in our dining room, wash the dishes I had piled up in my kitchen sink, and sweep and mop the floors. So if you need some motivation to tackle your home today, make sure to keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy this sort of content. And with all of that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so now my living room is pretty much all cleaned up and tidy, and I did come back and mop afterwards once I finished cleaning all of the main living areas that I wanted to clean. And now I'm moving on to the dining area and just cleaning up some of this clutter that I had on the dining table, on the kitchen table, and then I'm just going to be cleaning up this area and starting on those dirty walls. And if you are new here, I am a mom of twin 3-year-old boys who definitely keep me busy and on my toes all of the time. And I am currently pregnant with my third little baby on the way. I am currently 13 weeks pregnant as I'm doing this voiceover. So definitely gonna have my hands full pretty soon. So the reason I wasn't doing a lot of cleaning videos recently is because I honestly didn't have any energy towards the beginning of my pregnancy. I was completely exhausted 24/7, needing to take naps all of the time. So obviously with being exhausted, I had no energy to do cleaning videos, you know, clean in general. And cleaning videos definitely take a lot more energy, take a lot of energy. So yeah, I just wanted to explain to you guys if you have been wondering where all of my cleaning motivation videos are at. But now that I have a lot more, I definitely want to include them here and there. So yeah, and obviously with having two little 3-year-olds, these walls tend to get so dirty and grimy all of the time. These are pencil marks, I believe. I honestly don't know what these are. And I just noticed there was a lot of stains, and I honestly was letting it go because we haven't had a lot of visitors lately, or any at all. So, but I finally got, you know, finally had the energy to get it done and clean. So I'm getting it tackled today and using this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Alright guys, so I am finally done cleaning this wall. It honestly took a lot of energy out of me, but I'm so happy I finally tackled this wall. It definitely needed it, so I am so proud of myself for getting it done. And I also have been wanting to put some decor on this wall, but I just don't know what to put on here. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know down below in the comments. I was thinking of putting some window frames or window panels on here that I bought from Target a while back. I got 2 of them. They're white. I was thinking of putting them there with maybe some other decor, but I'm not really sure. So if you guys have any idea, definitely please let me know. I would love to get any recommendations. Anyways, now I'm going to be tackling my kitchen, and I just had a lot of clutter on this peninsula. As you guys can see, we had all of our recycled items on here just waiting to be taken out. So I'm just clearing this up and gonna start cleaning everything up.
Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? 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 tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from? We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Alright guys, so my kitchen and dining area are finally clean, and nothing makes me happier than going to sleep with a clean home, clean main living areas. I haven't really done this too often these days because, you know, I'm just giving myself grace whenever I can, and but whenever I do, I notice I feel so much better waking up because I don't have a ton of dishes to tackle or, things to tidy in the morning. But anyways, I hope this video gave you tons of cleaning motivation and hopefully inspired you to get some stuff done around your home. So now I'm just gonna finish up folding some laundry that I had. And so if you enjoyed this video and made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking until the end. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. And I will see you guys very soon with a pregnancy update, so stay tuned for that video.
You hang around when all we got right now. Tell me how you feel about